Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. So in this video, I'll tell you what to do if your iPhone Face ID is not working for apps. Face ID, the Apple technology that uses facial recognition to confirm your identity, is a hardly shortcut for unlocking your iPhone, authentication purchases, or signing into apps. But when Face ID stops working, you will need to revert to other sign-on methods which take longer and can slow you down. So in this video, I'll tell you how can you fix this problem. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. If you are frustrated and muttering, my Face ID didn't work, don't worry, we have got your back. So the first step is restart your iPhone. For this, you just need to press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with volume down button and press the power button. Next, a slider will appear, so slide to power off and then wait for some time, and after some time press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And then enter your passcode. Now try using Face ID again. And the next step is check for updates. If restarting your device doesn't work, check to make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS. For this, go to Settings. Next, choose General and choose Software Update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then tap on Update Now and update the latest version of iOS and you are done. And the next step is check your Face ID settings. If all updates are installed and Face ID still won't work, for this go to Settings. Next, scroll down and go to Face ID and passcode. It will ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your iPhone's passcode. Make sure that Face ID is set up and switched on and you are done. And also you should don't block the True Depth camera. Face ID works through the True Depth camera, which is the lens on the front of your iPhone. And the next step is add an alternate appearance. Face ID can pick up subtle changes in appearance. But if you have significantly changed your look, like growing or shaving a beard, you may need to set up an alternative appearance. For this, go to Settings. Next, scroll down and choose Face ID and passcode and enter your iPhone's passcode. Next, scroll down and choose Set up an alternative appearance. And then tap on Get Started and set up an alternate appearance for your phone and you are done. And the next step is Reset Face ID. If your iPhone's facial recognition still won't work, try a reset and then set it up again. For this, go to Settings, scroll down and choose Face ID and passcode. Enter your iPhone passcode. Next, scroll down. Here, tap on Reset Face ID. After resetting your Face ID, set up your Face ID holding your device in portrait position and then slowly move your head to complete the circle and you are done. And the next step is reset your iPhone to its factory settings. If you have tried restarting, resetting and updating and your Face ID still won't work, you may have to reset your iPhone to its factory settings. For this, open Settings. Next, scroll down and choose General. Scroll down to the bottom and choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then choose Erase All Content and Settings. Next, tap on Continue and then choose Erase iPhone again to confirm. Once your iPhone is restored to its factory settings, follow the prompts to set it up like new and then set up Face ID again and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix Face ID is not working or for apps, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.